Hey guys, this is Varun Inamdar and welcome to Rajshri Food. Today, let's make something easy, something tropical and something fruity, a fruit salsa. This one is going to be my version of a Mexican salsa and with a lot of fruits. To begin with, I'm going to use red apples. I'm going to cut these in small dices. Let's transfer this in a bowl. And to this, I'm going to add in a few oranges. You can snip these slightly so that we de-seed the oranges. Bring this all together and cut these roughly. Let's transfer this in the bowl. And let's move on to peeling and cutting a ripe banana. To add in a little bit of zing, I'm adding in a green chili, but this can be completely optional. While I'm using a fresh chili, you could also use a pickled chili. Now that choice is completely personal. Let's also transfer this into the bowl of fruits. And along with this, let's add in some fresh mint. While you could use to chop this or use it full, what I'm doing is just running the knife roughly like so, twice thrice over. That's about it. Let's transfer this in the bowl. To this, I'm adding in some fresh pomegranate seeds and along with this, juice of a lemon. To this, let's add in some more fresh fruits. Well, generally, storing fresh fruits, rather softer fruits, could be quite a challenge. What I personally do is I wash them, I clean them, I dice them up, transfer them in a zip pouch and keep them refrigerated. This way, the fruits stay fresh for a long time. What I'm going to use here are some fresh melons. I'd initially cut them into wedges, but for this recipe specifically, I need them diced in small bits. Next, let's move on to some watermelon. While using a watermelon, what you need to take care of is try to remove as many seeds as possible. To this, I also wish to add in some pineapples. Chop these up nice and fine and do not forget to discard the core. One last fruit, and that one in this case is fresh papaya. Let's transfer all of this into the bowl of fruits. Time to flavor this with some final few ingredients. To this, let's add in honey. And along with this, some Chat Masala. And finally, just a touch of salt to bring out and balance the natural flavors of the fruit. Let's give this a nice mix. The fruit salsa is mixed and done, but just not ready as yet. This needs to be stored in the refrigerator for a minimum of an hour. Well, I personally prefer using a press and lock zip pouch because it is absolutely spill proof and the material used is food grade. If you've noticed, I've not added in any fresh juice, but what will happen in the refrigerator is that all the fruits will get nicely mixed and they'll leach out some liquid, and that's exactly how we want it. With this, your fruit salsa is done and ready. And trust me, this goes amazing with chips and nachos.